How to get the scanner to communicate via virtual COM port/USB serial driver. Today, we will show you how to make the Honeywell 1900 scanner communicate via virtual COM port. First, you need to download the driver, which will emulate a serial connection. This driver is found in the Software and Download Center, so visit hsmft.honeywell.com. Create your account, and then download and install the Honeywell Download Manager, so you can download the software that you need. After the application is installed, go back to the Software Center and open the following folders: Barcode Scanners, Software, Drivers. Select Honeywell Scanning HSM USB Serial Driver, and under this folder, you will select the driver in the current folder. Download the HSM USB Serial Driver 3.5.20 _signed_NOWHQL.zip. You can wait for it to download or click on here to open it automatically. Once the driver is downloaded, go to the folder in which you downloaded it and extract the compressed folders. Run setup.bat as an administrator and follow the installation process. After the installation has completed, connect the scanner via the USB port. To confirm the driver was installed, you can check the Device Manager under Universal Serial Bus Controller, Honeywell Control Device. To switch the interface, you need to go on honeywell.aidc.com and browse for the 1900 and download the user guide. Select the product and then the Documents tab. Click on the Xenon User Guide and the download will start. Open the manual and go to page 21 to find the barcode, or you can search USB serial. Zoom in and scan the barcode TRM USB 130 from the screen, or print the page and scan it normally. To verify if it was successful, go to the Device Manager, refresh it, and under Ports, COM and LPT, you will find the Xenon 1900 Area Imaging Scanner.